Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to activate the Leadpages affiliate program so you can share tools and start earning. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started and maximize your earning potential with Leadpages. Step 1. Sign up for Leadpages. First, navigate to the Leadpages website. Look for the affiliate or partners link, usually found at the bottom of the homepage or in the menu. Click on it to be directed to the affiliate program page. Here, you will find details about the program and its benefits. Click on the Sign Up or Join Now button to begin the registration process. Step 2. Fill out the application. Complete the application form with the necessary details. You will need to provide your name, email address, website, if applicable, and any relevant social media accounts. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will be used for tracking your referrals and commissions. Step 3. Review the terms and conditions. Before submitting your application, carefully review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. This document outlines the commission structure, payout terms, and guidelines you need to adhere to while promoting Leadpages. Step 4. Submit your application. After filling out the application and reviewing the terms, click on the Submit button. Your application will be reviewed by the Leadpages affiliate team. You should receive a confirmation email once your application is approved. Step 5. Access your affiliate dashboard. Once approved, log into your Leadpages account and navigate to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate links, promotional materials, and tracking tools to monitor your performance. Keep this dashboard handy, as it will be your main hub for managing your affiliate activities. Step 6. Promote your affiliate links. Start promoting your unique affiliate link across your platforms. You can share these links in blog posts, social media, email campaigns, or video content. Be sure to highlight the advantages of Leadpages and why your audience should consider it. Effective promotion will be key to driving traffic through your links and earning commissions. Step 7. Track your results. Regularly check your affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions. This will help you understand what marketing strategies are working and where you might need to adjust your efforts for better results. Step 8. Get paid. Once you've accumulated your earnings, make sure to understand the payment options available. Leadpages typically offers payout through various methods, such as PayPal or bank transfer. Ensure you have your payment information set up correctly to receive your commissions promptly. That's it. By following these steps, you are well on your way to activating your Leadpages affiliate program and starting to earn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching.